this is Jama. I'm a part of Sephora Squad, and today I'm here to share with you with my spa facial at home. This is literally 4-step which I've been using for over 2 years, and it's been helping with my skin. My skin improved so much. Before, I used to be very acnegenic. I used to have a lot of acne and sensitivity was out of control. I still have a little bit of rosacea, which I'm really careful with it, but yeah, I used to have a lot of skin concerns. So now, since I use a lot of the time these 4 steps, and I do this once a week because it is like a facial, how you would go to spa salon and get facial done. So 4 important steps, and I'm gonna go through with each of them. So let's get started. Step 1. For step 1, I like to use clay mask. For the clay mask I'm using right now, Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask with super volcanic clusters. As you know, Innisfree is Korean brand, and this is their best sellers. I really love it. Why first step is clay, but I think every time I use clay mask, it really detoxifies, clears out the pores, because that's what I need for first step, is clean the pores out and tighten it. So the next step is good. How you use it: on a clean dry skin, you're gonna apply it, wait until it dries out. Apply a very thin layer though, don't apply too much unless it will never dry out. Then clean, pat dry. For the step 2, I like to exfoliate. Exfoliate more like with the chemicals, which means resurfacing mask. For resurfacing mask, I like to use TLC Sukari Baby Facial by Drunk Elephant. It has 25% AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, and 2% BHA. AHA, it's a glycolic acid and lactic acids, all this good stuff. BHA, which is salicylic acid. After using this baby facial, it's super smooth skin. It is like a baby facial. How you would use this: apply a very thin layer, because if you put too much, it's very actually harsh. It's if you have rosacea like I do, it's a little burning, and it's very strong since it has a 25% AHA, so that's why be careful applying it. Apply a very thin layer, wait, and if you feel like it's burning, wash it off right away. But if you feel like it's just tingling, you can handle it, then it's fine. But I promise, after time comes, your skin will be beautiful. So clean it, pat dry. After first step and second step, your skin is already feel like smooth and nice. And with the third step, what I like to do after torturing your skin, clearing out the pores, exfoliating, I like to calm and soothe my skin. For that, I like to use Ren Clean Skincare, and you can use any soothing mask, of course, but I prefer this one, a Ren Clean Skincare Ever Calm. It calls Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. It's for sensitive skin. You can use it 3 times a week. You apply this all over your face, very generous amount, because your skin's gonna kind of suck it in. That's why you can apply a very generous amount. If your skin a little red, because after TLC, usually your skin will be a little bit red. So that's why you need this. It's gonna calm calm your skin right away, and takes away the redness too, which is super cool. That's why I like to apply this right after TLC, because I really love TLC, and it's really strong. That's why you need this to pair with them. And the last step, what I like to do is hydrate. After taking care of the surface of the skin, the pores, the surface, and we also take care of the color, which is we brightened it and soothed the skin. Now we need a really nice hydration. I like to use for hydration sheet mask. I believe that hydrating sheet masks are the best when it comes to hydration. So I like to use personally Sephora sheet mask. They're very affordable and they're clean, no parabens, no hot chemicals, which is perfect for sensitive skin. So I really recommend sheet. You apply this sheet mask for 5 minutes, and it's recommended for 5 minutes. But honestly, I like to use it for as much as you want. Watch TV with it, because it's gonna be hydrated. Like your skin will be super plumpy and juicy. You will see how your skin will be shining afterwards. So as you can see in this video, my skin looks super hydrated and super nice and shiny. I love the word shiny because it's not oily shiny, it's like squeaky clean shiny, and also exfoliated shiny, I would say, and healthy shiny. So this is my 4 important steps which I do every week. If you're oily skin, you can do 2 times a week, but once a week I think it's enough to do these 4 steps. And do this on Sunday with your girlfriends. So this is amazing, you will love it. So just to remember, let's go back. Step 1, it's a clay mask. Step 2 is exfoliating or surfacing mask. Third one, it's a soothing mask. And the fourth one, hydrating mask. If you have these 4 important masks, that's it. You don't need anything else. Your skin will be improving every week. You will see how your pores getting tighter, your skin getting plumpier. So yeah, I really recommend this. It's been helping me for over years. So this is about it. This is my passion and I was really excited to share with you. If you liked it, please comment below. I love reading comments, so please leave some comments and thumbs up for this video. And I'll see you guys on my next video.